Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're revisiting the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070, a graphics card that continues to hold relevance years after its original release. In 2026, the RTX 2070 stands as an interesting option for gamers and creators looking for reliable performance, modern features, and proven stability without chasing the latest high-end hardware. Design and build quality. The 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 features a solid, functional design focused on durability and efficient cooling. Most models use a dual or triple fan layout with a reinforced backplate, ensuring structural strength and consistent thermal performance. While it may not feature the newest aesthetics, its build quality remains dependable for long-term use. Turing Architecture Overview. At the core of the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 is NVIDIA's Turing architecture. This architecture introduced real-time ray tracing and AI-powered features to mainstream GPUs. Even in 2026, Turing remains capable thanks to ongoing driver optimizations and broad game support, allowing the RTX 2070 to maintain smooth and predictable performance. Gaming performance in 2026. In modern gaming scenarios, the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 performs best at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Many AAA games run smoothly on high settings, while competitive titles easily achieve high frame rates. With adjusted graphics settings, the RTX 2070 can still deliver an enjoyable experience in demanding games released in recent years. Ray tracing and DLSS support. One of the defining strengths of the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 is its support for ray tracing and DLSS. Ray tracing enhances lighting, shadows, and reflections, adding realism to supported games. DLSS helps offset performance costs by using AI upscaling to boost frame rates while preserving image clarity, extending the card's usability in newer titles. Memory and bandwidth. The 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 comes equipped with fast GDDR6 memory, providing enough bandwidth for modern textures and complex game environments. This memory setup ensures stable performance, smooth asset streaming, and reliable multitasking for both gaming and creative applications. Creative and productivity workloads. Beyond gaming, the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 remains useful for creative tasks such as video editing, streaming, and 3D rendering. CUDA cores and GPU acceleration improve workflow efficiency in popular creative software. For hobbyists and semi-professional creators, it still offers a balanced mix of power and affordability. Power consumption and thermals. Power efficiency is another strong point of the 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070. It delivers respectable performance without excessive power draw, making it suitable for mid-range power supplies. Cooling systems on most models keep temperatures under control while maintaining relatively quiet operation during extended sessions. Software and driver support. The 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 benefits from NVIDIA's mature driver ecosystem. Regular updates ensure compatibility with new games, performance improvements, and security fixes. Tools like GeForce Experience provide easy driver management, performance optimization, and recording features, adding value beyond raw hardware. Who is it for? The 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 is ideal for budget-conscious gamers, PC upgraders, and creators who want reliable performance without investing in newer, more expensive GPUs. It's especially appealing on the used or refurbished market, where it offers strong value. Conclusion. The 2026 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 proves that well-designed hardware can age gracefully. With solid gaming performance, ray tracing support, and dependable software updates, it remains a practical choice in 2026 for users seeking balance rather than extremes.